Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to WordPress. When the homepage loads, locate the login button situated in the upper right hand corner. Click on the login button to initiate the sign-in process. Once the login page appears, you will see an option that allows you to continue with Google. Click on the Continue with Google option and then select the Google account you wish to use for logging in. After signing in successfully with your Google account, you will be directed to the main dashboard of WordPress. In the dashboard, locate the Quick Link section where you will find an Edit Site option. Clicking Edit Site takes you to the site editor, which is the central hub for making design and content changes to your website. Within the site editor, direct your attention to the top right hand corner where you will see an icon that represents styles. When you click on this icon, it opens a panel dedicated to managing the visual aspects of your website. In this styles panel, look for the colors option that will enable you to change the color settings of your site. Selecting colors reveals a range of customizable options that allow you to adjust color settings for various site elements. Once in the colors section, you can see two main methods to change the color scheme. One option is to adjust the colors of specific elements independently, which is useful when you only want to make targeted changes. Alternatively, you have the ability to change the overall color scheme of your entire website. To apply a full site color transformation, focus on the palette option within the menu. Clicking on palette shifts your view from adjusting individual elements to controlling the global color settings, thereby allowing for a cohesive and consistent aesthetic across your website. As you move forward, you will notice an option to edit the color palette. By clicking on Edit Palette, you are provided with further customization choices. In this interface, you can either choose from a set of predefined color palettes or opt for the custom option. The predefined palettes are carefully selected combinations that offer a harmonious look, while the custom option empowers you to create a palette that precisely reflects your brand's personality or the unique vibe you wish to convey on your website. After making your selection, take a moment to review how the new colors integrate with your overall site design. It is advisable to preview your site within the WordPress editor to ensure that each color change aligns with your visual goals. Refresh the preview as needed until you are completely satisfied with the adjustments. This step-by-step approach is designed to simplify the process of changing default colors in the block editor, while providing you with ample creative freedom without the need for complex coding. In summary, this methodical process lets you log in quickly using your Google account, navigate to your site editor, access the Styles and Colors panel, and then choose your preferred method for updating the color scheme. With the ability to either adjust individual elements or apply an overall palette change, you have full control over the look and feel of your website. This comprehensive guide ensures that you can confidently enhance your website's aesthetics in an efficient and straightforward manner.